Right, welcome to Dreddy Says. It's a test. Hello, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. A test of the wind noise reduction. Annoyingly, I can't turn the 20-mile-an-hour beep off. I'm not sure how I set that, so we're going to try and get rid of that, but that just means I'm doing 20 mile an hour. So we'll go down to 19, there we go. And this is through the InstaX4, obviously with the DJI. And
18 miles per hour.
Speed 18, and we'll see how the audio comes out. There's also a hidden trick at the end if you've got Davinci Resolve paid. Well, some quite mixed results there that we could see. So the main problem was I didn't set the dB to -6 or -12. Here's a little video on how you do that in the camera once you pair the DJI Mic 2 via Bluetooth to the camera. It's really important because I had it set to 0. I forgot that I'd zeroed it out, and you can hear that the audio clips, which you don't want. -6 would have been fine, but I throw it down to -12, and then you can always bring it up a little bit in post. So that was my fault. The other issue, which was strange, because I was on an electric unicycle that communicates to my phone via Bluetooth, you can actually hear interference with the DJI, and it's there. You could probably get rid of it in post, but it's far from ideal, so that was a little disappointing. So you've got to be careful for interference if you are filming, but apart from that, the wind noise was really effective. It was blowing about 15 mile an hour. I was doing around 20 mile an hour, and it was okay. It's never quiet. You move somewhere quiet and peaceful, and then bin men. So here's the little trick I was talking about in Davinci Resolve. Here's a little screenshot. You select your clip, you go to the audio tab in the top right or wherever you've got your windows set up, and put voice isolation on. Now listen to this same clip. This is without the noise cancellation on. Oh, lovely girl. Check this place out. We're camped up there on the hill. And this is it with the voice isolation on, 100% just for demonstration. Lovely girl. Check this place out. We're camped up there on the hill. What a difference. It completely isolates the voice, and it is so effective. It has saved me a number of times. That's with Davinci Resolve. I'm on 18.6.6. It is the paid version that has that. I'm not sure if the free version has it, but if it has, wow. Move to Resolve, people. So that's the test of the DJI Mic Bluetooth through the X4. Mixed results. Lower that dB. Perhaps put your phone in Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth off, and make sure there's no interference. It only does it with that electric unicycle, so there's something going on there. It didn't do it when I filmed without it, so there we have it. All right, guys, still a thumbs up for the DJI Mic 2. You take care, and we'll catch you for the next one.